In the vast silence of space, a blue titan pulses, brighter, hotter, and more powerful than nearly anything known to man. As we inch closer, its violent glow intensifies, a roaring inferno fueled by unimaginable nuclear power. Compared to our gentle sun, this B-type star is a beast, 10 times the size, and burning with fury beyond comprehension. Its gravity stirs the void, and its radiation carves scars into the very fabric of nearby worlds. Jets of particles erupt like cosmic volcanoes, each one carrying more energy than a billion bombs. A lone vessel drifts into view, tiny and fragile against this star's celestial wrath. Inside, systems flash red, radiation surging, temperatures peaking. The ship is reaching its limits. Through the shielded glass, blue-white light dominates all, a blinding ocean of heat. The star's surface writhes in chaos. Plasma fountains twist and break into pure energy storms. Descending into the beast, the ship trembles as it crosses into Hell's front porch. You step out, not into darkness but into white fire. Stars fade behind you, swallowed by the light. Your systems crackle and fail. This place was never meant to be survived. Above, glowing tendrils whip across the sky, plasma arcs more violent than any lightning storm on Earth. Invisible magnetic giants clash, painting the void with lines of glowing force. Your body is boiling inside the suit. It was built for stars, just not for this one. Suddenly, a silent wall of energy strikes. Not wind, not heat, but pure fury. In orbit, planets die silently. Stripped of air, oceans turn to mist, then gone. These giants are creators too, fusing atoms, birthing iron and scattering the seeds of life. You're deeper now, within its skin. The light dims to violet as atoms crash endlessly. You wouldn't burn, you wouldn't melt. You'd see some dissolved into cosmic ash in a blink. Inside this storm, atoms smash and fuse. The air itself is no longer air, just raw energy in motion. Here, hydrogen becomes helium, releasing power that built galaxies, the core alchemy of the universe. Time feels strange. Seconds stretch as light bends and heat saturates every frame. Waves of invisible death sweep through. X-rays, gamma rays, and they pierce, burn, erase. Your suit, once impenetrable, begins to peel like paper, atoms flying apart before your eyes. Your gloves vanish, not burned, but scattered. Electrons stripped, molecules undone. Your body dissolves into plasma, bones, skin, memories, becoming part of the star's flame. You are inside it now, a whisper in its storm, just one swirl in its infinite fire. From atoms to orbit, your journey is barely a flicker, one breath inside a dying flame. Deeper still, the core looms ahead, the brain of the beast where true power lies. This is not solid. This is not liquid. It is pure pressure, a state beyond physics. Fusion here is rapid fire. Neon, oxygen, magnesium. The star forging its own death sentence. Magnetic forces twist until they snap, unleashing flares that could swallow solar systems. The core begins to pulse. Gravity is winning. Collapse is inevitable. On the outside, the surface quivers, the first hint of the final breath. Space around the star glows eerily. A storm is coming, and the universe watches. This is not the first. Billions of stars have lived and died this way, cosmic ancestors echoing. Across the galaxy, their light still travels, carrying stories written in fire. Now this one swells. Its fuel is ending. Its walls are falling inward. The last tremor. The star is about to do what it was born to do, die in brilliance. Its outer shell stretches, pulsing with unstable energy. This is the final expansion, the beginning of the end. The star holds its breath before collapsing in fury. With no fuel left, the star's heart stops beating. The core starts to implode under its own weight. A silent collapse begins. Unstoppable, violent, absolute. The pressure rises beyond physics itself. Atoms are crushed into raw particles. The core becomes a ticking time bomb of mass. The implosion rebounds into explosion. A shockwave blasts outward like a cosmic cannon. The star cracks open from the inside. Light floods the void, searing across space. A billion suns flash in a single breath. This is one of the universe's loudest deaths. Carbon, iron, gold, forged in fire, are scattered. The dead star seeds the galaxy with building blocks of life. From its death, new worlds may rise. There's no pain, only disintegration. You become part of the debris, stardust in the void. Your atoms are now cosmic travelers. Glowing shell remains where the star once lived. Gas clouds swirl, rich in color and life-giving elements. A grave, yet a nursery for stars to come. These remnants will journey for eons. Some will join new solar systems, planets, even life. Your ashes become eternal wanderers. What's left collapses into a neutron star, smaller than a city, but heavier than the sun. A cosmic ghost, dense beyond imagination. It spins hundreds of times per second. Its magnetic field rips through space. This is power and silence tightly wound. Light pulses from its poles like a beacon. A pulsar is born, ticking in the darkness, a stellar lighthouse in the cosmic sea. High-energy particles surge outward. They race through space at near light speed. Ghosts of a dead star touch distant worlds. The remains stretch across light years. A nebula forms, glowing, mysterious, beautiful. The star's tomb becomes its final artwork. It shifts shape and color like a living thing. Each movement sculpted by gravity and time. The universe paints with the ashes of stars. Gravity gathers the dust once more. New stars ignite where death once reigned. From destruction, the cycle begins anew. Planets form from shattered remains. New worlds spin into being, rich in elements. You are now part of their foundation. Galaxies spin silently, star by star, each one built from ancient explosions. Your journey becomes part of this grand motion. Everything you were now lives in everything else. Stars die so others may be born. That's the rhythm of the cosmos. Even now, your light is still moving. Across the dark, across time, never stopping. In the universe, nothing truly ends.